So hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy. In this video we are going to discuss one of the most important question of circles from circles chapter. So जैसे कि मैंने previous video में already हमने concyclic का question and the passing equation of circles passing from the 3 pointing specific जैसे कि हमने solve किया था. So in this video I am going to solve another important question. Here in the center is given. So we are going to solve and ये वाली video previous video से relatable है. तो मेक श्योर करिए कि आप लोग वो वाली वीडियोस भी चेकआउट करिए बिकॉज मैं एंटायर चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस अपलोड नहीं कर रही हूँ, लाइक एक्सरसाइज वाइज अपलोड नहीं कर रही हूँ. जो भी आपके फाइनल एग्जामिनेशंस में हेल्प होगा, लाइक फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन के पेपर में आप लोग को हेल्पफुल होगा सॉल्व करने के लिए, ताकि आप लोग क्वेश्चंस प्रेडिक्ट कर सके कि फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन का पेपर किस तरह से आने वाला है. सो बेस्ड अपॉन दैट मैं आप लोगों को उस तरह से प्रिपेयर करवा रही हूँ. क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल passing through 4,1, 6,5 and having the center on the line of 4x plus y minus 16. So यहाँ पे मेन अपने को क्या दिया हुआ है, like previously what we did the sum related to finding the equation, okay, जहाँ पे एक circle होता है, ठीक है, and this points, okay, from the center, okay, it is A and it is B like this. So as I have been already explained the concyclic concept in the previous video, it is very relatable to that. जहाँ पे एक सर्कल पे जब कोई भी पॉइंट्स ले करते हैं, like 2, 2, 3, 4 पॉइंट्स ले करते हैं, so from the center to that particular point, they will, if one point have a particular distance of 2, which is radius, okay, then it is clear that the point B will be having the same distance, okay. So equation of circle passing through these points is nothing but this, okay. Now we are going to solve it and the center can be known as the S, okay. So यहाँ पे equals to, यहाँ पे क्या बोल सकते हैं अपन, SA is equals to SB here because दोनों के distance भी same है, okay, right. Now we are going to solve. Now what I'll do, firstly I'll take the given points, A equals to 4,1, B equals to 6,5, okay. Now the center, I'll take the center as S x, y, okay. Next, as I already told you, point SA equals to SB, okay, SA equals to SB, and squaring on both sides. After squaring, SA square equals to SB square we will get. Now what is the S value is x, y and A 4,1. I'll take x, y. So it will be clear for you. Next अपने को क्या करना है, x के place पे we have to SA equals to, we have to substitute this x minus, what is the value of A in x is 4 whole square as it is plus y here whole square equals to x SB we have to solve. So in B x value is nothing but 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, okay. Next, and here as you can see A x minus 4 whole square is here, so we have to apply A minus B whole square formula, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square, okay. X square, I'll just remove the brackets, x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to here x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Now what I'll do, simply we can do two things here. If we want directly we can cancel x square, y square here, but for the clarification I'll bring all the other side variables, okay, on this side, okay. जब कभी आप लोग यहाँ से दूसरे equals to side अपन जो है variables लेके आ रहे हैं, we have to make sure about these signs, because यहाँ पे अगर the signs are, the numbers if is are in positive, so here it will be in negative, okay. First I'll write it in a proper manner, which is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 16 plus 1 is 17. Next, minus x square minus y square plus 12x plus 10y, 36, 25. It's 61. If I bring it on this side, it will be in negative equals to 0. Okay. Now we can do one thing. We can just cancel x square y square and minus x square y square here. Okay. What are the leftover variables here? Minus 8x plus 12x minus 2y plus 10y plus 17 minus 61 equals to 0. Okay. Next, 12 minus 8 is 4x minus plus 8y. 10 minus 2. Next, 61 is 44. 61 minus 17 is minus 44 equals to 0. Okay. Now, what I'll do, we got the equation. I'll take this equation as equation 1. So, previously, अपने को कैसा था? We had been solving all these things, and in the previous question, what we did, SA is equals to SB square and SB equals to SC square. Because वहाँ पे अपने को 3 to 4 points अपने को अलग-अलग दिया हुआ था. But here, center के लिए we got the equation instead of getting the point. So we have to solve this equation and we have to get the value for x or y. Okay. Then only we can able to solve this sum. So here, what is the given center? 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. Simply what I'll do, I'll take this as equation 2 and अब अपने को क्या करना है? The main thing, we have to get the value for x or else for y. Okay. So we will solve this equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे देखिए 4x, which means the equation is already equal. Okay. So we no need to multiply with 2, 3 with to equation 1 or 2. Okay. The equation is already 4x. We will directly cancel it. 4x plus 8y minus 44 equals to 0. 4x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. Okay. But whenever we are solving this equation, we have to make sure about the signs. क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे positive sign है, so we have to mark it as negative, which means whatever the given sign, it will be there. We have to mark the opposite sign. Okay, here plus is there, again minus. Here minus is here, so I'll mark it as plus. Plus 4x minus 4x cancel and plus 8y minus y. 1y you can say. Okay, 7y. Next, 44 minus 16. Here 44, 16. We will be getting as minus 28 equals to 0. Okay. So simple thing we can do is, as we have been already solved in the previous classes, equals to 0. 28 is in negative here. अगर वहाँ पे अगर अपन send करें, it will be in positive. Y equals to 28 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So y value is nothing but 4. Okay. So now after getting y value, we have to get x value. So for that we have to substitute this particular value in any of the equation. But whenever you are substituting, you have to see like which equation is easy. Okay. Compared to this, here we have 8, 44, we have bigger numbers. But here in equation 2, y minus 16, it is, compared to the equation 1, it is the smallest one. Okay. Simply I can substitute in this, or else if you want you can substitute in this. No worries. You will get the same equation, same number. Okay. So we have to write, substitute y in equation 2. 4x plus y is here, 4 minus 16 equals to 0. 4x 16 minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 equals to 0. 4x is equals to, on the other side it will be in positive. Similarly, what we will get, x is equals to 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. X is equals to 3. So here we got our value x and y. Okay, which means it is nothing but x, y. So it is the center value. Okay, which is 3, 4. And from this, what we have to find, having the center on the line. Okay. So as of now, जैसे कि अपन सेंटर के जो पॉइंट्स वैल्यूज थे, we had been find, and now the next step is to find the radius between this point और this point. अगर कोई भी पॉइंट का अगर आप एस बी का भी फाइंड आउट करें, it will be same as I told you. एस ए का भी फाइंड आउट करें, it will be same. So no worries. So compared to यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट्स में, I found A points are pretty simple compared to B. So एस ए equals to, we have to solve it here. ठीक है? Because from center to point A, which is equals to the radius as well. Okay. So let's start. I'll mark it as squaring on both sides. X minus. So here, as you can able to see, previously we are taking S value as x comma y, but here अपने को already after solving we got the value 3, 4. So x in the place of x comma y we have to use 3, 4. 3, and what is a value here? I'll write 4, 1 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square equals to, here we will get r square. Okay, next 1 square plus 3 3s are 9 equals to r square. Okay, 10 here, 9 plus 1 r square. So we have to find the value for the radius. यहाँ पे अपने को square है. If is equal to the both side अगर square गया, it will become root. So we got the value of r. Okay. So जैसे कि अपन previous sum में करे थे, okay, the first sum of the circles chapter, which is very most important sum. Okay, we will do the same. Simply we got the center and the radius. Now we will substitute. Okay, we will substitute in the standard equation. Okay, which was, I'll tell you, because in the question अपने को क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, equation of circle अपने को find out करना है. ठीक है, center का था अपन, we had been already solved it, and now we have to find the equation of the circle, and we all know what is the equation of circle, of radius and okay S circle also. So now we have to find the equation of circle. So the required equation which we can use in this particular sum is, I'll write it, required equation of circle is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, okay, equal to r square. Okay, now here x1 value is, y1 is this, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to r square. What is the value of r? It's under root 10. Okay, now we have to use a minus b whole square formula, which is x square minus 6x plus 9 y square minus 8y plus 16 equals to 10. X square again plus y square, I'll write it in a proper manner, which is x 6x minus 8y. 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to subtract it, and after that we are going to get our equation of circle. Is 25 minus 10 is plus 15 equals to 0. So it is nothing but the required equation. So let me give you the overview of the sum. First, what we did, the equation in the equation, what we have the 2 points. So as I have been already explained you, from this point to this point they are equal. So we have to solve S is equals to SB, and after that we will getting one equation for that, and after that, as you can see, the center is in linear equation form. So what we did, we just take this equation as equation 2 and we solve it, and we got the value of x, and after that we substitute, we got the value for y, and after that we take the value of y and substitute in equation 2, because equation 2 was smaller than equation 1, and after that we got the value of x and y. Okay, and after that what we did, we find out the radius. Okay, simply equation of circle, it has been told to find. I wrote the equation of circle, and after that simply x comma y, x1 y1, which is the center values, and radius here, substituted it, and we got it. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. Like, if you want me to upload more videos, you have to support me. Okay, then only I can help you. Okay, thank you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.